or business permit, then a tax clearance certificate, audited financial statement, and pickup license. Then, also include is the attachment of our bid, security, authority of signing officials, then organizational chart of the contract, contractor certification of key personnel, list of major equipments, then the omnibus hold statement. Also, additional is the list of ongoing government or private contracts and a statement of the singular largest completed contract. Then also is the NFCC with competition. Then for corporations is sworn affidavit of liberty and beneficial ownership and latest information sheet. Then for the financial envelope of proposal, you need to attach the following. Financial reforms, bid prices in the bill of quantities, detailed estimates, and cash flow. Is there online participant? So, individual part of this or this maybe you will be watching this one on YouTube. So just prepare all those being discussed here so that during the bid opening, all your documents are make sure that all your documents are signed and must be updated because that to say during the last bidding, one of the contractors has been ineligible due to non-submittal of their financial statement. So be sure to update your documents in the central office if you are already included in the CWA so that during our eligibility check, then we will be eligible to bid for this project. So any other matters concerned from the back, PWG and Bank Secretariat? So, if not, then this prepaid conference is concluded. Thank you for your presence. And thank you to Engineer Lainina Relante for participating online. Because of you, we have a quorum and we have made this possible. Let's leave it bidding conference possible. Thank you.